So now let's see how we can add in author block inside of wordpress.com. So for that, I'm just going to go around and hover around over here and click on the plus button to access out the block right here. So now once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to type in author. Let's say for example, then you can see that author block is an option. If you were to click right here, then what happens is that I immediately get my name, as you can see right here. So I can also go around right here and write a byline. Let's say for example, I'm going to say something like keep on learning right here, just like this. So now with the author block, you can go ahead and change out the location of it right here, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can apply filter this as well, as you can see, so you get the filter onto the logo as well, and then you can align it to the center or to the right or to the left, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So you can see that there's the avatar size that you can choose from the properties of this particular block. And here you can see that I can choose the author. You can go ahead and change the size of the icon right here. So the bio right here, just like this as well, and link to the author space as well. Apart from that, you can go ahead and change the color of the text right here. You can go ahead and add in a background right here, just like this as well. And then you can also go ahead and select out your own background. You can also go ahead and, let's say for example, add in this right here. So you can see that there's a lot of options like adding in a linear gradient or radial gradient as background as well. You can go ahead and change around the size, the padding, the margin right here, and add in border to it as well, and change around the radius to this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. For the text, let me just go around and select white so that it's much more readable. So if I were to go ahead and save this, and if I were to go ahead and view the post, then you will be able to see this particular author block right here. And as you click on this, what happens is that you simply will get redirected to the author right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with author block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.